So I have a question for SilkBoss and him fans them. SilkBoss, whenever sing a song when the man them box you up, whenever do a song about that, I glorify them. Cause them a bad man, you know. Them a bad man can they hold up in a corner and box you up. I never do song about them. Oh, you know, funny when you are the victim. It's song not catchy for you are the victim. But it catchy. And you can glorify it when there's a next man are the victim. But when you are get boxed up, it's not catchy. It's song where you sing is a different type of song. And Jamaicans, for those who identify as well thinking, for those who me hear I say them not like how other Jamaicans are glorifying, and this is somebody I say some of the big TikTokers them are glorify this brown man brother. Listen to me, you don't need to start block these people. Stop support these people. Block them. Me personally block SilkBoss, you know, from man me see that song, let me block him, you know. And any TikToker me say I glorify it, me I block them because me no need to see content from people like you because clearly something wrong with you mentally.